Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. Residents of several areas of Delhi on Monday continued to face water shortages, with people seen queuing up for water tankers to get their fill of water. Visuals from Okhla area showed people holding onto cans and buckets crowding around the water tankers. The scene has become a daily occurrence in the national capital, with many areas since the start of the summer season this year. Chanakyapuri's Sanjay Camp, Geeta Colony in East Delhi, Patel Nagar, Mehrauli and Chhatrapur are some of the areas in the national capital region that have been severely affected by the water crisis. Meanwhile, the water supply crisis are deepening in the city, with police officials inspecting the Jal Board pipelines in the Yamuna Khadar area of the northeast Delhi on Sunday and said there was no leakages. After inspecting the pipeline, Assistant Sub-Inspector Lokendra Sirohi said that there is no leakage here. If there was any leakage, we will inform to the Jal Board and our control rooms. Delhi Minister Atishi on Sunday wrote a letter to Delhi Police Commissioner Sanjay Arora urging the deployment of police personnel to protect the major pipelines in the national capital region of Delhi. Atishi had said that the ground patrolling team found water supply pipelines were damaged in some places. She also requested that the commissioner to deploy personnel to protect the major pipelines for the next 15 days. The Delhi Water Minister has also alleged that BJP's former South Delhi MP Ramesh Biduri attacked the Delhi Jal Board office in Chhatrapur along with some goons. The water crisis in Delhi has sparked widespread protest, vandalism and political confrontations across the city. While addressing a press conference, Atishi said that Delhi is currently facing severe heat. Even in this difficult time, the Bharatiya Janata Party has left no stone unturned to trouble the people of Delhi. The Bharatiya Janata Party is hatching a conspiracy against the people. This conspiracy has three parts. The first part of this is to stop the water supply to Delhi from the BJP government of Haryana. Due to this, not even a drop of water is left in Wazirabad water treatment plant. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party MLAs accused Union Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil of not intervening in the matter, while the BJP held Matka 4 protest against Arvind Kejriwal government to highlight the water crisis in Delhi. MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party on Sunday reached the residence of Union Jal Shakti Minister C.R. Patil at BD Marg seeking his intervention in the issue of water shortage. However, the MLAs were not able to meet the minister as he was not available at his residence. The Bharatiya Janata Party, on the other hand, has been blaming the Aam Aadmi Party government for the water crisis, saying that it did not take effective action against the tanker mafia who pilfer water. Congress, which had fought the recent Lok Sabha elections of 2024 in alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital, has also held protests in the national capital. On Saturday, Congress workers held a Matka 4 break pitchers protest in Delhi's Krishna Nagar area against the AAP-led Delhi government and the Bharatiya Janata Party-led government in the centre to highlight the water crisis going on in the national capital region. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.